Hi, my name is Dr. David Camp. I'm with the White Ally Toolkit Project, also called the Ally Conversation Toolkit, or ACT. And we are very excited to be coming to Unity of Portland on June 10th between 1 and 4. We do a workshop that people all around the country have enjoyed. Charlottesville, Omaha, LA, Seattle. But we've done a lot in Portland too. Portland is becoming a major node of the project, and we're very excited about that. And we're hoping that Unity can be a part of that. People get a lot out of our workshops. They find them both practical and enjoyable, but you don't have to just believe me. Let's hear from a few past participants.
It's probably the best thing I've been to, and I've been to a lot of different workshops and attended a lot of meetings on this subject.
Loved the workshop, first and foremost, because it gave me an opportunity to have conversations that I wouldn't have had ordinarily in my daily life.
David's a lot of fun while he's bringing the information to all of us and doing the role playing that he set up for us to do. David did a really good job making it all work together.
So again, the time is June 10th from 1 to 4. You'll get a lot of good content out of the workshop. We'll be also selling the workbook. If you want to take your ally development to the next level, we'll be signing people up for the praxis groups that are going on all around the Portland area, where you can engage the content at a deeper level and really become much more effective at being a good ally against racism. So thank you so much for your time. Whether you can come or not, please spread the word. We are telling people all over Portland about it. We, of course, want a big representation from Unity, but there'll be people there who just hear about it in the community, and we're happy about that too. So thank you so much for your time, and we'll see you then.